Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Olympiad Edge. Hopefully you are will be fine. Today we are going to solve a nice exponential equation which is given as 9 raised to power m is equal to 54 and we have to find the value of m. So let's solve this. To solve this, first we will take logarithm on both sides. Taking log on both sides, we will get log of 9 raised to power m is equal to log of 54. Now we will use a famous logarithmic formula which is power rule, which is given as log of a raised to power n is equal to n into log of a. If power appears, then power will be multiplied with the base function of the log. So we can rewrite this as m into log of 9 is equal to log of this 54 can be written as 9 multiplied by 6. 9 into 6 is equal to 54. So now simplifying this, we will divide both sides by log of 9 and we will get m into log of 9 over log of 9 is equal to log of 9 multiplied by 6 over log of 9. Now this log of 9 will be cancelled out with this log of 9 and we will get m is equal to log of 9 plus log of 6 over log of 9. Here we use a formula, logarithmic formula, which is given as log of a into b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So using this formula we rewrite log of 9 into 6 as log of 9 plus log of 6. Now we can simplify this as m is equal to log of 9 over log of 9 plus log of 6 over log of 9. Now this log of 9 will be cancelled out with this log of 9 and we will get m is equal to 1 plus this log of 6 can be written as log of, we can break 6 as 3 into 2 over log of 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2. Now again we will use this formula to write the above equation as m is equal to 1 plus log of 3 plus log of 2 over log of 3 raised to power 2. Now again separating the denominator, we will get m is equal to 1 plus log of 3 over log of 3 raised to power 2 plus log of 2 over log of 3 raised to power 2. Now we can rewrite it as 1 plus log of 3 over this 2 will become here multiply with log of 3 by using the above logarithmic power rule, which is given as this. We rewrite this as now log of 2 over here, again we will use the same formula and we will get log of 2 into log of 3. Now this log of 3 will be cancelled out with this log of 3 and we will get 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. This log of 2 over 3, log of 3 can be written as log of 3 into 2, which is according to the logarithmic formula, which is given as if log of a over log of b is equal to, we can rewrite it as in a single log. This b will become base of the log, and this a will become the remains argument. So using this formula we rewrite this as, and again simplifying this, 1 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log of base 3 and argument 2. Now taking LCM we will get 2 is the LCM, 3 plus log of base 3 and argument 2. So this is the value of m which we want to find. Now we will check the validity of this solution, either it is correct or not. So to check the validity we will write the given equation again as, this is the given equation. Now we will put this value of m in this equation. Put m is equal to 3 plus log of base 3 and argument 2 over 2 in the above equation, and we will get 9 raised to power 3 plus log of base 3 argument 2 over 2 is equal to 54. Now we will simplify this equation. To simplify this equation we can write 9 as 3 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 3 plus log of base 3 argument 2 over 2 is equal to 54. Now this 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, and we will get 3 raised to power 3 plus log of 3 base argument 2 is equal to 54. And again this can be written as, by using the formula as we used earlier. Using this formula we will rewrite the given equation. Now using the formula now using the formula a raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m into a raised to power n, we will rewrite the above equation as 3 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power log of base 3 and argument 2 is equal to 54. Now simplifying this equation, this 3 raised to power 9 will become 27. 27 into 3 raised to power log of base 3 argument 2 is equal to 54. Now we will use a formula here which is given as, if a raised to power log of base a argument b, then this log of a will be cancelled out with this base, and we will get the answer which is argument, that is b. So using this formula we can rewrite this as 27 into this can be written as 2 is equal to 54. Now 27 into 2 which is equal to 54 is equal to 54. Hence the given solution is valid. This is the validity of given solution. After watching this video, please. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.